Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Justin with Formella Media again, and today we're just going to be doing a little review of the tow mirrors. I did have a install video, but the GoPro I have ended up deleting all the footage, so we're just going to go ahead and I'll just show you guys the features and everything of these tow mirrors. So these are Boost Auto parts. They were about 320 bucks, kind of pricey, but the quality is there. They extend 3 inches about, and they do fold in. So both of them do the same thing. And I thought I bought the ones with the LED running light, but it's only the turn signal. So if I turn the lights on, as you can see, the cab lights are on, the headlights are on, but those aren't on. And I'm gonna see if I can send it back to Boost Auto and see if they can add the wiring harness to make that on all the time, because I really like the look. But I'll go ahead and turn on the turn signal. All right, so we'll actually turn on the hazards. All right, hazards on. So here is the actual glass piece turn signal, and then there is the front side. I'll show you guys this one. Both of them are both the same, so both fold out, fold in, very solid. Don't feel like they're gonna break off. Quality's good, and this is paintable. Whenever I paint the truck, I am gonna color match them. But they do have a reverse light, which I still need to hook up, which I'm about to do now. But whenever you put it in reverse, this will turn on and shine back. It's not gonna be bright, but one thing this truck absolutely needed, because this is the extended cab with the 8-foot bed, so it's a long truck. And the stock mirrors, which I have still back here, are they're too small, and this truck is too long. So this one actually came with basically a split mirror. So this one's perfect, but this one, it's I don't know if you guys can see, but it's bowed, and it's back in this truck up and everything. It is phenomenal. I like it. I love it. I'll just move that in a little bit. But if you do have an 8-foot bed and you plan on towing, I plan on towing my Corvette with this truck, so that was definitely a must. And these lights are super bright too, so. Now to actually wire up these lights, it's still a mess because I'm not done yet installing them, or they're done basically. But I bought these pigtail thingies from Boost Auto parts, and there was a video on YouTube that I watched to install them, but I just couldn't figure out, because the truck they used was I think a year newer, and the wiring up here was just a little bit different. So I went to my buddy RF Racing, his channel, and he actually had a diesel truck. And he didn't get the Boost Auto ones, but he got a similar style mirror. And in his video, he found these 2 wires, and then so I think this one is the right side, this one is the left side. I don't know, one of the two. And then there's a brown wire. This brown wire is the running light, so I'm gonna see if I can tap into them and get the running lights, but I'm probably gonna have to send them back and have Boost Auto parts or something do some type of wiring in there to get the running lights on. So these are on and those aren't, but I have the wires, I just put them in. So I still got electrical tape on them, and then put them back in the harness, and then tuck the wires up, zip tie them, and that's it. I highly suggest these mirrors. I know it's kind of a weird thing to recommend to somebody, but on a truck like this, you need them. They do the job amazingly, and I couldn't ask for a better product. And the quality of plastic, it is 100% on point. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off, and then you can see on that side the other one, very visible. Let's see if you guys, I can see everything. Highly recommend them. And now this truck has every light on it is LED now, so people will be able to see me, and it's gonna look good at the same time. And that's gonna do it. So I appreciate you guys for watching, checking out the channel. More stuff coming to the truck. I do plan on doing the Starlight headliner, but I think before we do that, we're gonna detail, like deep, I got all my work stuff in here, but like deep clean this whole entire truck because it needs it. Like, it's dusty, super dirty, and I think that's gonna be maybe the next couple videos. We'll deep clean the whole truck. So appreciate you guys for watching, and tune in for the next video. Thank you.